scared. Lasan. Kaya mo yan. Go, go, go. Uban ko. Video sa kanak ko.
Hello guys. So this is my OJT vlog. So here at the video I conduct here a bed setup. The bed that I set up is a king size bed, two-way type. So my partner, he is the most hands-on room attendant at the Begonia Marnid. He's the one that helped me here or assist me to conduct a bed setup. So here we conduct a bed setup together with my co-OJT Grinzel Kogal. By the way, this is our first day of OJT here at the Begonia. So medyo gastado pa yan eh. May ilan sa mga setup o kay tagampang kumpos. Din kauban ng guys si Marned and si Arnel ang rumatindan sa Begonia. So ani is nabali pa jud akong kuha ni guys, dubi cover. So mo outro na pug ko since first day pa man, so charge of experience. By the way, the bed that we set up here is a double bed, queen size bed. So here I was almost done doing bed setup. Wala pa jud ko ma-satisfied ang isang output since makita ninyo na daghang kumos, need pag-improvement guys. Klaro ko sa video guys, so daghang kumos natawag ako kuan pillowcase. So that is Grinzel Kogal since naapa siya sa Begonia Resort. So guys, labo nag-struggle po na siya rin. Wala pa na siya mahuman, kumapit na mahuman. So here we will conduct a room makeup. So we will knock the door first 3 times and if nobody will answer, we will come in, start to clean. So here kita din na ito ang meron story din siya na video guys, expect ano. So in this video guys is there's a guest who requests to have a pail with water into the room at the 3rd floor. So look kay bagi asa ni sa guest.
Kaya mo yan.
So ni sunod po suko sa kauban.
Video sa kanak ko.
So here our team leader at housekeeping taking a video of us while we do a towel folding. My partner is my co-OJT Diana. So the name of the towel folding that we apply is the Swan. So here in the picture, that is our final output of towel folding. This picture, I remember that we are tasked to clean all the windows and the glass of vacant rooms here at the resort. this moment guys, our team leader prepare a room status report which is mo'y among i-endorse sa mga duty kas sunod adlaw. So mao din yung mga bonding moments guys while na-assign mi sa housekeeping department. So kanita yung mga may pagkaon na monitor eh. Kapas mo may time guys kay tagang hinloonon yung rooms, tagang check out kung dagang mong arrival auto around 2 PM na siya, then mo pa pag lunch na mo looyon kayo mga bata. At this moment is agamong tip kay tapo-tapo, then amo to nakapalit ni pizza o ice cream with coke pa. So usually ang amo yung bonding moments is mag snacks basta lang makasinabot. So at this time guys, since nahuman na miss among mga buluhaton na init kayo ang panahon na naapot yung itaghang butong, nagasinabot na po min sa mga staff na maglamaw. This time is there's a simple celebration. Nagpagkaon ng among-amo atos kusina kay birthday sa sakas among supervisor sa housekeeping. So, and then we are invited together with the management. So at this time, I was assigned at the front office department as a bellman. So as you've seen at the picture, since wala may guests arrived, so I input some of the transactions, like some money exchange or any small transactions at our system. The girls at the back are the front office staff who are in duty, and together with my partner Jemari Queering as a OJT. As you see in the video, that is what I usually do when I was assigned as a bellman, is to keep maintaining the cleanliness of the hallway beside our swimming pool. That is mostly what I do when there is no more guest requests. At we seen at the picture, that is we usually do when I was assigned at the front at the food and beverage department, is to slice the vegetables and also the meat, and also we help the staff to prepare for the lunch and dinner of the guests. At this video, I wash all the table napkins we use in the preparation at the restaurant. At this moment, let me share to you some of the random pics together with the staff at the Begonia Resort.